Good morning, guys. I'm so excited for today's drink from Z-Beans. So today we have the apple cider. Guys, I fear this might be better than the horchata. And if you haven't heard, that is my favorite drink that I've had, period, with coffee, is their horchata with espresso in it. So I don't know, but this one is so good. It tastes exactly like fall in a cup. I feel like it's just the best words to describe it. I think it's a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10, guys.
Looking good in the neighborhood.
Yeah. So
what do we got?
So what we got here is we're working on building a room. Okay, so this is currently our dry storage space. It's not conditioned at the moment. So we're building a room where we're gonna be able to do all of our bottling. So right now we have the split facility model. We do our roasting and bottling down in downtown Macon. So the goal is to be able to get it here. That way everyone is under one roof. All of our manufacturing, all of our distribution that's in Macon is being done in our building. We just completed the purchase of our building, so now we're able to do a lot more projects with it that otherwise would take a long time to get approved by a landlord. So we're working on it. We're gonna have an open door there to where we can bring in pallets on that side. So for bulk orders of our Ice Espresso cold brew, we'll be able to bring it in. And then we're going to add another door on this side, just a man door, so you can quickly access. So we'll have the roaster over here is the vision.
Will there be a room for this, or will it be open?
So the roaster will be open, yeah, because it produces a lot of heat, gives off a lot of heat. So the idea is to separate the two. We'll still have a big attic fan that's installed in the glass over there to be able to pump out all the the hot air, but of course the afterburner, and it'll have its chute and stuff. So inside the bottling area,
Do you have a layout for how you're going to do everything in here?
Well, we're going to see how it finishes up as far as all the lighting is concerned, because once we enclose it, without any lighting, it's going to be pitch dark.
Yep.
See how we lay out the lighting? I mean, the good thing is we know exactly where we have our electrical, so a lot of that would run along this front wall here. But what's nice about the way we're constructing this is we're also going to have space up top, so it's going to be very strong. So we're going to be able to run. You'd be able to walk up top, have additional boxes. So yes, I'm reducing our storage space size, but ideally, now that we can store on top of it, we're not reducing it by as much is the goal. Don't know the layout quite yet. Of course, all the plumbing is over in that corner where we have all the water and stuff currently. But once we get done with it and kind of see the layout, but a lot of it, kind of like anything, is I just want to see how it flows. We'll have a MVP, a minimum viable starting point. Once we see how it flows, and that's the good thing about our team is, it's freedom within the framework. We'll set up a framework. This is how I think it would best be done. If they're saying, Shane, this is terrible, let's fix it. Hey, let's fix it. Let's be better.
Yeah.
So that's what we'll do. But we're going to have this as conditioned space. I don't know if I've said that yet. And that's very important because this room will get 96 degrees when it's 96 in mid-July. Hopefully we have about 6 months here of a little grace period so we can feel it out, try to improve insulation, stuff like that. But we're building it all out of wood, and it should help us. We shouldn't have to add much insulation. We'll see. We'll have fans and stuff, but we'll also have like portable AC units where they'll vent out, and those are nice because you can move them around. So like let's say it's concentrate day and we have all the tables right here and the piston fillers running. Ideally, you want to move that AC unit pretty close to you so it feels like it's blowing. So that'll be helpful. And the good thing with our building here, unlike what we've always been working against in downtown, is we have tons of electrical power.
Yeah.
So with additional electrical comes the ability to add a new, add a new circuit, add more fans, add new, additional AC units. So we're in a good spot there. But yeah, nice. Overall, this is the project. We'll also use some additional storage space for products that we're distributing to the stores over there. But we'll see. It's coming along.
Nice, man. Looks good.
Yeah. Right here.
Take a new spot. Peach. All right, it's the fall. It is 93 degrees out, but
It's the fall. You know what that means? Peaches.
so peach cobbler.
Yeah, we're gonna test some peach cobbler drink recipes.
Be
Drink special
excited.
at Mercer Village. Huh?
You can be excited, you know.
I am excited. I'm not like ecstatic. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, start shaking like a chihuahua?
Yeah.
And then here's the top. Look at that crackle.
What stands out to you?
Peach. You can taste the peach. You can taste the cinnamon. I don't feel like I can taste any brown sugar in it. I'm almost feeling like it has too much peach.
Really?
But do you know what I mean? Like, it's very peachy and not enough like cobbler.
What if we did some white chocolate sauce and peach?
It's like getting a bite of peach cobbler and none of the cobbler in it. Like, you missed the bread in your bite. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it's good,
How do
but
we-
it's just not giving peach cobbler. It's more giving like
Peach.
candied peaches.
Yeah. I think the white chocolate will help with that. This one.
This one's pretty.
This one might be the ticket. So what did you give the last one out of 10?
Like a 6.5.
6.5? I think I'm pretty much exact same. 6.5.
I have a question.
Yes.
Wait. Can you add like 2 pumps of salted caramel to this? Salted caramel? I think so.
Here you are,
Thank
though.
Just the saltiness.
That's good. Yeah, I think that's it.
That's very good.
I'd give that like an 8.4.
I agree with you.